Have you ever wondered how a small toy balloon manufacturing unit transformed into a global tire giant? The answer lies in the fascinating journey of MRF, or the Madras Rubber Factory, a company that exemplifies the power of strategic moves and constant innovation. In the year 1946, K.M. Maman Mapillai founded MRF as a toy balloon manufacturing unit in the bustling city of Chennai, India. However, the 1950s saw a significant shift in MRF's business model as it transitioned from manufacturing balloons to tread rubber. By 1961, MRF started making its own tires. Output: the year 1961 was indeed a landmark year for MRF. Not only did it produce its first tire, but it also became a publicly listed company, with its shares being traded on the Bombay Stock Exchange. This was just the beginning of its journey to becoming one of India's largest and most profitable tire manufacturers. MRF's growth strategy was characterized by a series of strategic moves, from technological collaborations with global companies to diversify into a range of products such as conveyor belts, paints, and toys. MRF left no stone unturned in its quest for success. But what truly set MRF apart was its dedication to innovation and research and development. The company invested heavily to develop new tire technologies that ensured high performance and safety standards. Furthermore, its involvement in motorsport, particularly rallying, was not merely a hobby, but a strategic move to showcase its tire technology and build a strong brand image. Speaking of brand image, MRF's marketing and advertising initiatives played a crucial role in shaping its identity. The iconic MRF Muscleman mascot and sponsorships of major sporting events helped in building a strong brand presence. Additionally, the consistent quality and reliability of MRF tires earned the company a loyal customer base. MRF's ambitions were not confined to the Indian market. The company expanded its footprint internationally, exporting to over 65 countries and forging strategic joint ventures and partnerships to expand its global presence. And yet, in its pursuit of financial success, MRF never lost sight of its social responsibility. Actively involved in community development, education, and healthcare initiatives, MRF also focuses on sustainable manufacturing practices and environmental conservation. In conclusion, MRF's journey from a small toy balloon manufacturer to a global tire giant is a testament to strategic diversification, technological collaboration, continuous innovation, and robust brand building. A story of a company that dared to dream big and had the drive to make those dreams a reality.